What up out there, everyone on Instagram, YouTube, other forms of social media? I'm Jarrett.
What's up? I'm Reese.
And we are headed to Ocracoke in the Outer Banks. So,
Gonna be sick.
Cruising along. Got a nice, gnarly 35 knot tailwind right now, so we're not complaining.
Yeah, cruising at 7,500. No bumps in sight.
Nope. We got a passenger with us today. She's out for the count though. So they're like, holy shit!
I wouldn't do it in these planes just to get it messy, but I want to in my plane once I get it back, bring a big bowl of popcorn.
Here, I'll give you guys a little view of what we're looking at right now. Go ahead and pop this bad boy off.
Pretty sweet views out here.
Yeah.
We got one or two different kinds of trees.
Yeah, North Carolina's pretty bland. It looks basically the same the entire time, but this is what we're looking at here.
Got an airport over off our 4 o'clock.
On the bright side though, we got plenty of places to land if we had an engine out. Get a little view over here.
Sure.
This is what we're running today, the old 172. It's a S model. Got a 430 and a Bang.
Sponsored by Bang Energy.
Not actually, but please sponsor us. We're poor. Alright, so we just got cleared into the New Bern Delta airspace. Looks like we're going to be doing a report a left downwind for 3-2. We're going to do a quick little stop here, get some fuel, and then we're sending it out to Ocracoke.
Yes, sir. Starting to get a little bit bumpy.
Yeah, these winds are picking up the lower we get.
Exercise a little muscle.
Yep.
A bit more.
New Bern Tower, 172, Tango Quebec. We're coming out of 2,500, and we're about to enter a left downwind for 3-2.
Tango Quebec, thank you. Continue. Report to midfield left downwind.
All right, report midfield left downwind, 2 Tango Quebec.
Ooh. Nerves are up right now.
You got it, bro.
Oh, I know I got it, but my palms are sweaty.
Knees weak, arms are heavy. Lights on. We got mixture full rich.
System 172, Tango Quebec, number 1, runway 32, clear to land.
Number 1, we're clear to land for 3-2, 172, Tango Quebec.
All right, we just got our landing clearance. Here's the airport off to our left. We're going to be landing on the shorter runway that crosses this long one here.
Tower, Piedmont.
Mike, I did give you left closed traffic after the touch and go, correct?
Yes, sir, left closed traffic after.
There you go.
Thank you.
Oh, it definitely flies different.
Put that nose up.
Oh, it's
not bad. There you go.
System
Not that
172,
bad.
Tango Quebec, where do you park?
We need some fuel, so wherever we need to go for that.
2 Tango Quebec, there's an FBO just west of the tower here. Stay on the runway, cross 22, turn right on Echo, then left on Bravo, right at Hotel for the FBO ramp.
Right on Echo, left on Hotel, then right on Bravo, 172 Tango Quebec.
Thank you, sir. We will do.
That was exciting.
Nice, man. Good job. Hell
Thank
yeah.
you.
Woo. We got our taxi map up here just to help us out. Cool. This is New Bern. This guy's going to park us here, going to get a little bit of fuel, and then we'll be out of here.
Word.
So if you got to use the bathroom or anything.
Is it fine to go over that rope?
Yeah, it's fine.
No break.
Maybe just come a little bit to the right of it.
Left.
Yeah, that's good.
Cessna 4 Foxtrot Mike, continue the upwind. I'll call you left crosswind.
Copy, continuing upwind.
Coming over.
For 4 Foxtrot Mike.
Great.
Thank you.
Great.
This guy's official.
Yeah, I like it.
Boom. Alright guys, we're going to sign off for a little bit, take a break, chill, and then we'll catch up with you in Ocracoke. Peace.
Throttles, lights. What's up, Jarrett?
What up, bro?
Jarrett, tell the people what we're doing right now.
We are flying over about 25 miles of water, and if you look here on our chart, we're sending it out to Ocracoke Island. Whiskey 95 is the identifier.
Sweet.
Pretty sick views up here. The water is nice and blue. See that nice white sand on the Outer Banks.
Beautiful.
We're jonesing.
There you go.
Thanks.
Yeah.
How's our lovely lady feeling?
great.
You enjoying flying the Cessnas?
Yeah, no, this is awesome. The wind is dying down, so that's nice.
It's getting
It
less.
got a little bumpy there for a second on the climb, so nice and smooth now, though. Got grass growing through the pavement.
Ladies and gentlemen, be sure to keep your seatbelts fastened at all times while the plane is still moving until we get to the gate. This is a limited time offer. We've only been saying this for the past 5 years. Yeah, we're just stop pit stop at the beach.
Alright, we're dipping our toes in. It's a little chilly. Oh, it ain't bad. It ain't bad. Come give it a feel.
Oh yeah. You're right at 75, looking good. See you later, Ocracoke. It's been real.
Flaps up.
Alright, flaps up. Positive rate. Gear up.
Damn, this sun's a bitch.
Yeah, it is.
Excuse my French for everybody.
Alright, well, I guess we're just going to cruise the coast here and head along down this MOA, the core MOA. And I'd say we just go up to, I don't know, 2,000. Good old Outer Banks.
Did you ever watch that TV show Outer Banks?
Yeah, the new season comes out
Isn't that supposed to be
February. Yeah. Pretty good show.
That it is.
Alright, so we are inbound for Wilmington Airport. We are 11 miles out, going straight in. We're cleared to land on 24.
Yes, sir.
Figured I'd hop on here and show you guys some of this view. We are just over, where is this? Topsail, Hampstead area, over the marshlands. It's absolutely gorgeous. Landing light on. Go mixture full rich.
Alright.
Alright.
Coming through 2500. We got the runway in sight. 8 miles to go. Got a nice firm grip on this old bird.
Yep.
Short final, no factor.
Roger that.
Alright, there's the airport just off in the distance. We're on about a 5-mile final.
Start getting her slowed up in a little bit, get some flaps out. Yep. Did one left seat landing, now I'm gonna...
This is our boy Reese's first right seat landing. Doing pretty good, but I'm expecting a side load. Got Bethany back here getting the flicks. Camera to camera.
There's some beautiful views. That's for
Get
sure.
Mind that 85 arc?
Yep, you're good. You're in the arc.
Here comes 20.
Alright, 20 degrees. We're a little high.
Yeah.
Let her do its thing. Let it come down.
We're still 4 white. That's funny.
Yeah, they like you coming in a little low here. We're at 65, 70 knots, looking good. Alright, here we go. First right seat landing.
Oh, this iPad's gonna fuck me up here.
A little bit of left rudder. Left rudder. Left rudder, left rudder.
Oh, I'm flaring so high. Whoa. Not bad.
There you go. Dude, I mean, the nose is a little bit to the right. It's hard to tell.
Yeah, it's weird.
2 Tango Quebec, safe parking.
We'd like to go to Modern Air, 2 Tango Quebec.
2 Tango Quebec, roger. Continue down the runway, turn right on Foxtrot, cross runway 17, and contact ground.
Right on Foxtrot, cross 17, 2 Tango Quebec. Here. Yep. And then we're going to cross the runway here.
I don't want to side load too much.
Crossing
right.
17.
Clear left.
Clear left, yep. You're going to turn right on the Alpha here.
Here?
Yep.
Wilmington altimeter 3012.
Feels so official.
Here's our guy. Got some swag with it.
If I just ran into him, just mow him down.
Get him to hit the nay-nay. Nice. Oh, there we go. Boom. Alright, let's shut her down. Here we go. Alright, guys. Welcome to Wilmington.
We made it.
We made it.
Overall, solid day. Plane flew great. We did good on fuel, did good on weight. Solid day. Here we are at Modern Aviation. Really nice guys helping us out. Merry Christmas. You want chocolate chip? Yes, thank you. Pretty solid. Man, we're cruising in style right now. Look at this. They got us in the Charger. Hopping in the whip. Shout out Modern Air. They're hooking it up big time. Alright, here we go. Push to start.
Catching a little beater. A beater. This thing's like brand new.
Really?